Hello right there guys, so we're back into another episode in our Filmora Wondershare course. Great to have you here guys. Once again, we are not going to waste any time, and topic for today's lesson is of course filters. So filters are not big of a deal when it comes to Filmora. Like transitions were really awesome and text too, but they really didn't waste much time on this. So let's jump right into our project and let me show you how they created it. So right here underneath transitions we have these two little circles. They represent filters. Going to all right here, you will have a lot of these sections for them, and trust me, they are not something. Like right here you will find a lot of effects, and this video kind of doesn't fit for these effects. So right here, let's say we want to add this rise. As you can see, it's going to go over the black bars at the top, and it's not really good looking. So another thing that I want to show you guys, if you right click this and go to the show inspector, but as you know from our previous lessons, the inspector means we're going to open up options from this effect or something. There are not many filters that have their inspectors. Like as you can see, this one doesn't have any options that you can work with it, so you can lower it or something. No, they don't exist. So that's something that I don't like, me personally, but hey, we're stuck with it. That's what Filmora offers when it comes to filters, and we're going to learn them. But there are actually a couple of filters that are really great, and I like using them. So we have these distortion stuff right here. As you can see, got that whirl, and of course you can adjust this and make it work. And you of course got the fish eye, as you can see, but these are not something that I would enjoy using, and these are not really good for the spectator's eyes. So the only thing that I like when it comes to filters is the shake option. Yeah, so right here you have this shake folder, which is really cool, trust me. So as you can see, we have a lot of these things that are really awesome. We have melt, extreme, sideways, up and down. We have this chaos. I will show you every single one of these. They are really awesome, and I would recommend you to use them in every single video that you create, whether it's a compilation, it's a traveling video or something, it's a tutorial, doesn't matter. They are really awesome. You need to work with them ASAP. So let's play one real quick. As you can see, we have this realistic shake, which is really cool looking. We have, let's check this extreme out. This shake is really good. So the effect would turn out even better if there were no black bars right here, but I'm really not going to waste time by going right here and going to crop and zoom and setting it up to be right here so you can see the effect. But although it would make the clip much better, so consider doing that if you're working with the same clip as you downloaded, as I explained it to you guys. So we have this sideways thing, which is really awesome. I was actually thrilled of how how good this works. I'm sorry. So you will see a little RGB splits while it's shaking and shaking sideways, and it's really cool. So let's drag it out a little bit, get it back to the start, and look at this, guys. That is just freaking awesome. You can actually make the effect out of it. It looked pretty dope. Another thing that I like when it comes to filters is this chaos thing. Let's add it right here. Really cool looking. So actually, let's go ahead and click on our video, go to crop and zoom, and actually crop the video out. So let's get it a little bit in. Think this will work. Oops. My bad. So actually we can't cut this clip out unless we actually can, but we would have to switch these up, and I really don't have the time to play with this because right now we are learning filters and we're not working with this. I would actually need to experiment to see what actual font of this would fit and what resolution would fit to lose these black bars, but it's not big of a work and not big of a deal. So the only thing that you need to know for this episode is the filters are really nothing advanced, and they are cool looking, but they are nothing really that good because Filmora didn't take much time when it comes to working with filters. The transitions and the titles are really awesome, but when it comes to filters, the only thing that I like when it comes to filters, I'm sorry, there's a notification. The only thing that I like with filters is this shake option right here, which are really awesome effects that you just need to implement them in your videos. Another thing that I wanted to mention, guys, in this episode is, have you noticed that I've been working through this whole course with my window zoomed out? Like it was not stretched like this. As you can see, I stretched it out to the full screen, almost to the full screen actually, because I need the start menu right here. But the Filmora window was big like this, and I don't know why, but I was working with it like that, but that changed from now. I got it zoomed in. So that will be it for the filters. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out these shake options. The other ones are really not that good, but the shake ones are awesome. I hope you enjoyed, guys. It was great having you here. Just keep on. You're almost finished with the course. You're about to become a professional Filmora video editor. And that's an excellent thing, and that's really awesome, guys. Enjoy the course, enjoy the rest of the course. I'm out.